Hello everyone, you are welcome to this channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to create YouTube thumbnail. It's very easy and simple method. Firstly, open any web browser and type here canva.com and make enter. Now make your account in canva.com by your Gmail and sign in. After sign in, you will see this one. You can create a design for YouTube thumbnail and YouTube channel art. Also, you can make logo, ebook cover, social graphic, and much more. If you want to see much more, click this one. So you will see all the design here. Social media post like Twitter post, Facebook post, and Instagram post, blogging and ebook. So you will get about all the design for every platform. Now simple click on YouTube thumbnail. Now select a layout which you want. Some are free and some are paid. Now customize. From here you can change anything from here, and also you can add the elements like free photos, grids, frames, lines, shapes, and icon. Here you will find text design. Here you can change background, and also you can upload your own photo. Here you can change the color, change the size, change the font style, spacing. So friends, in canva.com you will find all things for design which you want, and in this platform canva.com you can create a lot of design for every social media like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So I hope this video will be useful for you. Thanks for watching this video.